Teo, what is this?
It's cooking.
Cooking. How about this?
It's a wolf.
Wolf?
Yes.
How about this one? What is this?
It's a owl.
Owl?
Yes.
How about this one?
It's a snake.
A snake?
Yes, it's a snake.
Uh-oh. How about this one? What is this?
It's a penguin.
Penguin? How about this one?
A car.
A car. And this one?
Tail.
It's Teo?
Yes.
Cute Teo.
It's me, Tail.
Yes.
Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
Snake and a blocks.
A snake made of blocks? Say hi.
Hi. Hello, guys.
What? Tell them, what are you doing?
I'm building blocks.
You're building blocks?
Yes.
Oh. Anong next na gagawin mo?
I have waffle.
Huh?
I have waffle.
Waffle?
Yes.
Okay.
I have waffle. Hello, guys.
I will help you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, baby.
Again?
Okay. Okay. Okay, you sit down. Oh, I will get it now for you.
Yellow.
Yeah. The yellow one. Oh, where is it now?
Here is
What?
here.
Okay.
Good day, Mama.
Thank
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
I'm building
You're building.
Mama.
You're building Mama?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Here and a face. It's a mama.
It's Mama?
Yes.
Thank you.
Look. It's mama. Hello, hello, mama.
Hello.
Mama.
Hello.
Kiss, mama, kiss.
Mwah.
Let's cook eggs. Huh? Mama,
Yes?
I like this.
You like this?
Yes. I like it. It's ouchie.
Ouchie. Say bye for now.
Mama, help me. I got the boo-boo.
Mwah.
No, my hand.
Mwah.
Can I go, Mama?
You're welcome, my baby Teo.
Now we're cooking.
Now you're cooking.
Yes. I'm cooking my eggs. No, Mama. Happy. Yeah.
Ah!
Ready. Huh? No. Don't want soup. Ooh.
Why?
I
No.
like the tail.
It's yummy. Send natin kay Papa. Uy! Why?
Watermelon.
Eating?
Watermelon.